Dear share owners, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, our founder chairman, was inspired by the tremendous potential of India's people, India's markets, and India's enterprise. Consequently, he ensured that Reliance singularly focused on several sectors of national importance. This simple tenet has enabled Reliance conceptualize initiatives on an expansive format, implement them aggressively, and grow from strength to strength year on year. Even today, the same vision of believing in India drives all of us at Reliance. Presently, manufacturing growth in India is at a decadal low. Agricultural growth is at a multi-decadal low. The most important need for India today is employment creation through investments in manufacturing, infrastructure, energy, services, agriculture, and the rural economy. Based on our strong faith in the potential of India, we are currently making investments in excess of 150,000 crores over the next 3 years. Your company is investing the largest capital in India by any enterprise, public or private, Indian or foreign. This is an expression of faith, of reliance in India and her potential. These investments will lead to both higher levels of employment and self-employment opportunities and productivity gains, and is your company's humble contribution to get our country back on a sustainable growth path. Dear share owners, we are making these investments at a time when the global economy is facing one of its most challenging periods in modern times. Most of the economies are faced with slowdown, high unemployment, and a lack of visible growth triggers. We have the conviction to look through the cycle and make investments at this time. It is our belief that our new projects will come on stream as the global economy recovers and margins in our core businesses are on the upswing. Energy markets are, however, transitioning to a new world order. This brings opportunities for us at Reliance. Opportunities to participate in oil and gas exploration and production projects in other parts of the world. Opportunities in sourcing competitively priced liquid and gaseous hydrocarbon feedstock, which is our raw material. Dear shareholders, we will seize these opportunities to India's benefit. India's future lies in the energetic growth of our enterprises. Our new investments across manufacturing, retail, and 4G broadband digital services will spur growth in India. Apart from our own investment, these sectors have high multiplier effects and will lead to secondary and tertiary economic investments and employment creation in a variety of downstream sectors. Reliance has been a large part of India's industrialization and economic growth over the last 3 decades, creating capacity in 3 major sectors: oil exploration and production, refining and marketing, and petrochemicals. Our investments in the retail sector integrate the agro sector with consumer markets and improve quality and efficiency. In the technology digital services space, our investments create a platform for self-employment and efficiency for several sectors in the Indian economy. Reliance is the only company in India to facilitate meaningful growth across all 3 pillars of the country's economy: agriculture, industry, and services. Reliance will stimulate growth in agriculture through retail and petrochemical applications, industrial growth through energy, and manufacturing and services growth through retail and broadband digital services. Dear shareowners, I am proud to inform you that we have continued and grown our tradition of sustained value creation for all stakeholders, despite the technical and geological challenges in our domestic oil and gas business. Despite the tough global and Indian economic scenario, Reliance delivered satisfactory financial performance across all key parameters. In the last year, Reliance recorded its highest ever turnover of 3,71,000 crores and a net profit of 21,003 crores. Reliance also achieved its highest ever export of 239,226 crores to 116 countries during the year, accounting for 64% of its turnover. Reliance continues to be India's largest exporter, now accounting for 14% of total exports from India. Reliance returned 3,366 crores to shareholders by buying back 4.62 crore shares, the largest share buyback program so far in India's history. I am proud to say that we continue the tradition of Reliance being the highest taxpayer in the private sector in the country. Reliance accounts for 4.8% of India's total indirect tax revenues. Reliance is also the largest income taxpayer amongst private sector companies. Reliance's superior credit profile is reflected by Standard & Poor's awarding its international long-term credit rating of BBB+. Reliance is the only Asian company in the oil and gas sector to enjoy a rating of 2 notches above the sovereign rating. Reliance continues to enjoy the highest ratings for its domestic credit, and Reliance continues to be debt-free on a net basis and has further strengthened its financial position in the past year. Dear shareholders, let me now turn to each of our businesses. Petrochemicals has been the foundation of Reliance's growth strategy over the last 35 years. It is the bedrock of a growing economy like India. Reliance is the world's largest and most integrated producer of polyester fiber and yarn. Reliance is also the 5th largest producer in the world of plastic polypropylene. Our portfolio is among the world's top 10 diversified petrochemical companies in terms of earnings today. Growing aspirations of young Indians and their preference for a superior lifestyle continue to drive demand for petrochemicals. Indian per capita demand of petrochemicals, however, is still one of the lowest at 26 kilos per capita against a global average of 88 kilos. Today, our petrochemical products touch every facet of a citizen's life through apparel, household goods, electronic goods, automobiles, and food packaging. Every second child going to school in India wears uniforms made from Reliance polyester. Every automobile made in India has polypropylene produced by Reliance. Last year, I had mentioned that our petrochemical capacity will increase from 15 million tons per year to 25 million tons per year on the strength of this growing demand. Towards this, Reliance has undertaken the single largest expansion in the petrochemical sector in the world. I am happy to announce that most of these projects are under implementation. In polyester, we are expanding our capacity by 1.5 million tons to reach 4 million tons a year. The polyester filament yarn plant at Silvassa will be commissioned during the first half of the current financial year. I am proud to say that this plant will be the only zero-waste plant globally from day one. This will be followed by a polyester resin plant. Polyester resin is used in the plastic bottles that we use for water across in the second half of this financial year at Dahej, making us the 7th largest producer of polyester resin in the world.